Hey all, Wild here, and today I'm going to show you this awesome little how to paint a cloud hack with a 1-inch brush that you can do at a beginner or amateur level, and it's going to make your clouds look professional. We're getting started right now. Welcome to all you beautiful people. Wild here to help you become bigger and better with your painting adventures. First time here, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button down below so that way you know when my painting videos go live to help you out. I release them every month. Clouds are one of those things, you either love them or you hate them as a painter. And I think a lot of people hate them because there's really no easy way of doing a cloud until now. Lucky for you, I invented an awesome hack that's gonna really make clouds for beginners out there be flawless. In fact, even kids can do this, which will be awesome for you to share with your little ones out there because they're gonna see the results right off the bat. So let's go over to the easel and I'm gonna show you how to make them within moments. Go ahead and apply Magic White and drop in any basic sky. Pick any colors you want. I'm just going to stick with blue for the tutorial. With Titanium White on your mixing palette, grab a 1-inch brush and come into the paint at a 45-degree angle, only using the corner of the 1-inch brush. What this does is actually round out the brush corner to give you a nice curve while also flaring out the bristles. This way, when we attack our canvas and start to tap on color, we're gonna get a nice, natural, fluffy look to our cloud that we can enhance a little later on. As you can see on my mixing palette, this is the perfect example of what you want to achieve on the canvas. With our paintbrush all loaded, we can start tapping on a cloud with using only the corner of that brush that we prepped. Simply approach the canvas and start tapping on with different pressures to achieve different looks for the cloud. We're only concerned with the outside shape. If you get any blue that's contaminating on top of your brush within that corner, simply just wipe it out on your palette, or you can pull the blue color out with a loose paper towel or rag. Don't be afraid to reload your brush and tap again on top of your cloud till you get it where you want it to be. Don't over tap your cloud. We're only working on the basic structure, so remember to leave dark spots. Now that we have our basic shape, now we can enhance our cloud. Take a 2-inch brush and gingerly at the bottom, using only the corner of the brush, start to blend in the colors by doing small circular motions at the bottom. The harder you push, the more it will dissipate into the background. The lighter you push, the more the cloud will sit in front of the foreground. If you want to add body to your cloud, very gingerly go across the top of the cloud in a diagonal stroke to pull some of those crowns down into the body. This will look like sunlight is kissing into the thicker part of a cloud. To give the cloud a little bit of life, we're gonna fluff the cloud from the very bottom of the cloud all the way through to the top. Move the paintbrush in whichever direction you think the wind is blowing within your painting. Now you're ready to create rows and rows of clouds. Just follow the same steps that we did with applying the paint, tapping it in, making sure to blend in the bottom of the cloud and give it some nice fluff. And after you've done a bunch of clouds and you've had a good chance to practice, just gingerly brush from left to right or right to left all the way through the entire canvas, and this will help clean up all of your brush strokes. Likewise, you can do the cleaning up of brush strokes after every cloud if you want, but since this is just a practice, you can save it for the very end. That way you don't brush your clouds all the way away into the back of the sky. Repeat and practice these steps enough times and you will become a cloud master. It'll be so easy for you. Every time you paint, you're gonna have awesome clouds that have defined shapes and characters and densities that look gorgeous within any painting you're going to produce. I'm so happy I get to share all these awesome painting hacks with you because I know what it's like to be lost at the beginning and have no help. And I really love helping beginner painters out there discover their passion. And if that's you, like I said before, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below because it helps support my channel. Now, if you need any more help on how to paint awesome clouds, or if you want a little more time to go into making more detailed clouds, I'm gonna put a video over here to the side that shows you how to make clouds with a fan brush that really allows you to add that little extra detail and flair that's gonna help you stand out with your paintings. Until next time, my name's Wild, helping you obviously become bigger and better. Miss you guys already. Take care, and of course, peace.